Hello, welcome. We are going to work on order of operation question, and we are going to use PEMDAS. Our movement is going to be from left to right. Our question is in the bracket 2 divided by, in the parentheses, 4 take away 2 plus 8 square in the bracket take away in the bracket 2 minus negative 1 in the bracket square. According to PEMDAS, I'm going to start with the parentheses where I'm going to work with 4 minus 2 in the bracket 2 divided by 4 minus 2, I'm going to get 2 plus 8 square in the bracket, take away in the bracket 2, negative multiplied by negative, I'm going to get positive, that is going to be add by 1 in the bracket square. I'm still working in the brackets, and now according to PEMDAS, I'm going to work with exponent. In the bracket, 2 divided by 2 plus 8 square is 64. In the bracket, minus, in the bracket, 3 square. I'm still working with exponent because I have 3 square. In the bracket, 2 divided by 2 plus 64 in the bracket minus 3 square is 9. When I go back to PEMDAS, do I have any parentheses? Yes, I have bracket here, which I'm supposed to work on, but inside the bracket, I must start with division. In the bracket, 2 divided by 2, I get 1 plus 64, then take away by 9. I'm still working with parentheses. That is, I'm working in the bracket, and now I'm going to do addition. So I'm going to take 1 plus 64. 65 minus 9. Lastly, we are going to finish with subtraction. We are going to get the answer 65 minus 9. We're going to get 56. Let's do question number 2. We have 3 in the parentheses, 7 minus 5 in square plus in the parentheses 20 minus 19 is square in the bracket plus 14. According to PEMDAS, we are going to start with parentheses where I'm going to work on 7 minus 5 and 20 minus 19. 7 minus 5, we get 2 square plus 20 minus 19, we get 1 square in the bracket, then I'm going to add by 14. I'm still working with the bracket. Now I'm going to deal with the exponents. 3 in the bracket, 2 square is 4, plus 1 square, which is 1. In the bracket, I'm going to add with 14. Between bracket and 3, there is multiplication. 3 multiplied by, in the bracket, 4 plus 1 plus 14. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 3 multiplied by 5, add by 14. Between multiplication and addition, multiplication comes first. So I'm going to multiply 3 multiplied by 5, the 15 plus 14. At last, we are going to add 15 plus 14. We are going to get 29. Hope you understand. For more questions on order of operation, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.